And I thought it would be interesting to see how tedious it was to get all that glass off. I probably spent the better part of an hour and a half just picking at that glass, trying to use a sensible amount of heat. Once I started using what I thought was an unreasonable amount of heat, it became quite a bit easier, and the glass started to come off in chunks instead of little tiny flakes. That was all well and good until I got up around the camera section. The glass around the camera section was really hard to get out. I ended up actually melting the LED and desoldering the LED. And then the other spot is this. Just seems to be a little thin foil that sits on there. Really seem to have much purpose there. If you look really close, you can see that there's multiple wires coming off this one and multiple wires going into that one. And well, unfortunately, I can see that there's one strand of that wire out there that's broken. I am not going to attempt to resolder that. What I'm going to do is I'm just put a little piece of electrical tape over that contact and drop the LED in place when I put this back on. But it does fit on there and look nice and new.